there it is. Taxi, let's go now. Hey, put your shoes.
Mine.
Okay.
That's okay.
Say hi. Say hi, people in Punjabi.
Come in Edmonton.
Edmonton, yeah?
Yeah, then I come in.
How do you like Edmonton?
No, not really.
You like more Calgary than Edmonton? Okay, it's my day 4 today to start my car in the morning. Oh, come on, start. Holy cow. Holy cow, it won't start. What the heck? Are you kidding me? It won't start. Ha! Oh, my car is not starting. I have to call the taxi, guys. So our vehicle battery is dead, so I just called the taxi and we're waiting. It's our mistake because we didn't plug in last night. You know, it feels like minus 43 last night. And we didn't plug in, so the battery is dead. Yeah, I know, it's my fault. Taxi is on the way, so we're waiting.
And it's alive.
So taxi here in Calgary, I just Google it. They have their apps you can download, but you know, I don't have to download their apps, but you can Google it and then they just say taxi in Calgary, then it will come out. Like you can choose. They have United Cab, Associate. They have different company you can call. Okay, so yeah, I don't know how long we're gonna wait, but then that lady said taxi is on the way. Okay.
That's a robot.
Frozen our door.
Watch.
What? Kuya. Now I can
And
sit
then
outside.
We're just running around. What happened if
That's happened in Calgary. Today is the last day of my kids in school. I can just cancel. They don't have to go to school. But it's because their presents to their Christmas present to their teacher, they have to bring it today. So, and it's their last day today. So I have to let them go to school still. Now come, it's almost like 10 minutes now. We're waiting for the taxi here. Oh, there it is. Taxi, let's go now. Hey, put your shoes. Yeah, the smaller one. Just sit down. No. Just sit down.
Close the door, that door.
I'll go with them. No. Here. We go to my kids' school.
Yeah, here.
Yeah. Here. You go straight. Just go straight. Yeah. It's cold, hey?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You working day shift? Daytime?
Yeah.
Daytime. Oh, good.
Just starts.
Just started. Okay. I'm just filming myself because I'm doing a vlog. Do you know vlog? Do you know YouTube? I have a YouTube channel. That's why I'm doing this. This is the life here in Canada, guys. You know, you don't know your car is not start in the morning because the car battery is dead. But it's my fault. It's my mistake because I didn't plug, you know.
Yeah.
I supposed to plug in the whole night when it's freezing cold like this.
Yeah.
So the battery won't dead. So that's my mistake, okay? I trust my battery of my car because I thought it's a strong one, hey? But it's not. But it's okay. Those are the good experience, eh? When you live in Canada. No, the reason I'm talking about our life in Canada, you know, as immigrant, you know? So that's why. You must be from India, huh? Where in India? Where in India?
Why?
Yeah. Where do you live in India?
Oh, I live in India in Punjab.
Punjab, yeah?
This,
Just go straight. Yeah. That's the last one, but I have to take my kids to the office because they are late.
okay.
So I show you where you stop. Oh my goodness. Just go straight and you wait for me. I drop them and then you drop me back home, yeah? Okay, thank you. I just dropped my kids. Thank you so much for waiting me. Oops. Today is my kids' last day in school.
Yeah, I know.
You know,
Now they start again like the first week of January.
Oh, my kids start 3rd week of January. Yeah, I know. But some other school, they start earlier, you know.
Yeah, some schools.
Some school, like in this Catholic school, they start, I think, on January 6th.
January 6th?
Yeah, but my kids is longer. I don't know.
Next week and the
Yeah.
first week of the January. Then is everything is okay.
Yeah. Well, you know, can you imagine this is our 5th day for like very cold like this. And then next week.
Tomorrow is the last
Tomorrow is the last day. Oh my God. Tomorrow is the last day and then we have a +4 degrees, yeah?
Yeah. Always headache, lots of people headache.
Yeah.
This is the reason.
That's the thing when you live in Calgary, guys. Do you like Calgary?
Actually, there is Calgary is I live in long time, 29 years.
29 years. Oh, wow. Okay, good.
Otherwise, if I decide before, when I come in 1993, I come in Edmonton.
Edmonton, yeah?
Yeah, then I come in.
How do you like Edmonton?
No, not really.
You like more Calgary than Edmonton?
Yeah,
I think for me,
more-
I like Calgary than Edmonton.
Yeah, everybody like.
Yeah. Why you like more Calgary than Edmonton?
Calgary is Edmonton. When the cold started, it is continually 4-5 months.
Oh.
But there is always sometimes Chinook, sometimes cold.
Oh, okay.
This is the reasons.
I'm filming this one for myself. It's okay for you?
No,
Yeah,
no.
because I'm talking with you.
No, I don't mind it.
You don't mind? Okay.
I don't mind.
Okay.
That's okay.
Say hi. Say hi, people in Punjabi. So you have to take care always, okay?
Yeah.
You have to take care always. Drive safely because this is your job every day, huh?
Yeah, every
Oh,
day.
so how long you been in the taxi driver?
25 years.
Wow! So you're in Canada for 29 years, but then 25 years
Yeah.
taxi driver. Wow!
Till 1997.
Wow! So you have to take care of yourself, okay? Anyway, thank you so much, huh?
Thank
So
you.
I paid $10.50 for my taxi today, back and forth for dropping my kids in here. So anyway, you take care and happy
you.
holidays, okay?
Happy holidays.
Okay, God bless you. Bye-bye. Yeah. My husband is coming soon. My husband is coming soon to start my dead car battery, guys. Oh my goodness. Not too bad, guys, for back and forth. Wow, amazing. So I paid $10.40 for that taxi, plus I gave a tip for him. It's the tip is actually, it depends on you if you're going to give some tip or not, okay? And $10.40 is not too bad, guys, for dropping us and bringing me back home. But sometimes it depends on the distance where you go. My house in my kids' school is just very close. But we supposed to walk, but you know, it's very cold. It's freezing. Feels like -39 degrees today. So no, I can't. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye. God bless.